Hello and welcome to another video of Learn with Shran Bastara. Today we will be learning about measurements of general pollution of the air. So the effects of air pollution on human health, on plants and on animals are well known. To ensure that all important methods of emission reduction have been considered, this section is prepared to provide information which will be of value to all concerned with measurements of general pollution of air and involved in reducing to a realistic minimum the emission from industrial processes. It is an advantage that there are accepted methods for the measurement so that a sound comparison of all results could be made. Next section is to describe the minimum requirements of materials, operations, tests, inspection and cover site and process measurements, calibration and installation of instrument. Let's see site and process measurement of air pollution. Let's see how site and process measurement is divided into two parts. So first one is fixed type and the second one is portable type. So first one we'll learn about fixed type or online. We can monitor online. Nice. One of the fastest and easiest process analyzer of petrochemical refinery and environmental monitoring is mass spectrometer. It's a mass spectrometer. Sorry for they are shouting loud, man. In general, this kind of instrument, such a good instrument it is. Look, a sample is drawn here. Ionization and acceleration. Ionized sample, electromagnetic deflection is seen, and we detect and amplification is done to the software. Relative abundance percentage is designed for measurement of ionizable gas. Sampling system is bleed solenoid valve. Solenoid means I think this kind of valve. In mass spectrometer the samples should be converted into positive ions which are then separated and characterized. In figure 1.13 shows systematically the essential part of a typical analytical mass spectrometer. Construction and installation of instruments should be accordingly to manufacturer advice and purchase requirements, but in general it should be in safe place with all necessary items such as electrical power, gas and water supply. Also, it should be away from contaminated gas, shocks, vibration, ignition of inflammable gas. Operation of instrument after test performance should be accordingly to manufacturer manual operation booklet. All requirements should be accordingly to suppliers' advice such as electrical power carrier, gas, standard gas supply, water, safe place, drainage, test equipment and test run. Calibration of equipment should be according to the operational manual book, and this should be monthly and weekly rechecked. All items of the calibration should be supplied by the manufacturer. Another fixed type apparatus should be, which is normally used in industries, is SO2, NOx and O2 measuring analyzer. The principle of this instrument is based on split beam photometric analysis. In this instrument, the process iodide array is used as a detector of monitoring SO2 and NOx. It could provide direct measurement of NO and NO2 simultaneously. Construction and installation of instruments should be accordingly to suppliers' recommendation. It could be installed even 305 m 1000 feet away from continuous emission monitoring. All requirements should be accordingly to manufacturer advisor. Operation of instruments after test performance should be accordingly to manufacturer manual operation booklet. All requirements should be accordingly to suppliers' advice such as electrical power carrier, gas, standard gas, water supply, test equipment and test run. Calibration of instruments should be based on supplier manual operation booklets. Tomorrow we will be learning about portable type measurement. Thanks so much. Subscribe.